and they'll almost paddle the ball. Giménez drives one deep to right. Eaton going back. It's over his head and it's off the fence. Giménez puts the Jets on. He's around second and on his way to third. Eaton flings it in, but Giménez slides in safely with his second big league triple. Did not miss a home run by much. Short. Hamilton in center. Dom Smith playing first. Grounded to short, a chance for two. Giménez to Guillorme and on to first for the double play that retires the side. There's your defense. More important consideration is whom you can trust. As Turner hits a potential double play ball, quick toss by Guillorme, and Giménez turns it over, and they double up Turner. Oh, that's brilliant. With Turner going down the line, both guys had to. That's about as big a one as I've seen recently. Ames pops one up on the left side. Giménez playing alone over there has to come into foul ground and almost overran it, but stays with it with a big smile on his face for the out.
Righty.
Turner not bunting, and he smashes a double play ball. Could they do it again? Giménez, they double up Turner for a second time. Wow. We're going to have to go back and look, but I would bet that Trey Turner has never grounded into two double plays in a game before.
Could have hit and run. I know with Turner he goes that way. It would have been a good time to hit and run.
Yep.
And vacate the hole. Well, that's just tailor-made right there.
But again, Keith, you said Turner seems to be broken out of it, so you know you don't want to take the bat out of his hands also.
Guillorme had a little trouble getting rid of that ball, and they're still able to turn over their third double play of the night.
Guillorme likes the backhand shovel. That's